Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT's slow responses. Make sure to watch the video till the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So if it is starting to give you slow responses, the main issue probably is because the chat itself has been going on for too long and ChatGPT is trying to remember every single detail from the previous chat fully. So what you can do is to provide all this chat in a single document and then upload it in a new project or new chat, which is going to be the knowledge source for it to continue the conversation. And so from here, what we can do is either go right here and simply go up and drag up and then copy everything. And then from here, go to right click and then click on copy. Or what we can do is from here, going to go to the settings on the bottom left section. And then from here, go click it right here. And they're going to go to data controls and they're going to export data. And once you click on confirm export, it's going to email you a giant list of all your conversations. Find the specific conversation you were talking in that is taking too long and copy that. And then simply once you do that as well, or simply once you copy all this and then copy go, all you have to do is from here, go to your docs and then create a new document, for example, in your Google Docs. And now from here, click on start conversation. And now from here, going to right click and paste. And now you have the full conversation. Now all you have to do is to click on file. And then from here, going to click on download and then download either as a PDF or Microsoft Word. I'll download it as a PDF. Once you do so, you're going to write conversation name or title. And then once you do so, you're going back here and then you're going to click on new chat. Once you click on new chat, all you have to do is to simply add a file. Click on add file photos. Go to the quick access because that's where you cover it. And then from here, conversation name. Once you do so, this is going to be the start of the project. And now you can simply click on continue the conversation from where it was last. Or something similar, just to let it know that this is the previous conversation and so you want to continue it. And even if you say because the last chat was slow, it will work great. And this will give you much quicker feedback. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.